Hi there business owners, my name is James Palmer and today I'm going to take the complexity out of digital marketing. What I want to talk about in this video is how to create the perfect messaging for your marketing campaigns. Now to do this we're going to use the idea of story. Story's been around since the dawn of time, whether it was cavemen sitting around the fire telling stories about the day, all the way through to today where we have great big blockbuster films that tell stories. We as humans are hardwired to see our lives through the lens of story. So to do this we need to create a story framework. Now the first stage of a story framework is to understand your hero, and the hero is your customer. It's very important that you don't place yourself and your business as the hero. Talk about yourself a lot. You want to be talking about your customer a lot. Now the second phase is to understand the storyline or your customer's life. For this we want to walk a mile in their shoes. We just want to understand what a day looks like, what a week looks like, just to get a sense of what their life looks like. Because then we're going to come to their problem. Now your business solves a problem, that's why you exist, whether it's giving tax returns or fixing people's cars or offering home renovations or all sorts of things, whether it's a B2C or B2B, there's a million problems that you're solving out there. Now, once we understand that, we can then look to the next stage, which is once the customer or your hero has dealt with you, what's the resolution? And how do they feel about that internally? More than just having got their car fixed or got a tax return, what is it that's going on inside of them? What's the internal change? Are they now more confident? Are they now more relaxed or relieved? What's happened on the inside of them? And that's where the messaging can become much more engaging than just saying, hey, we sold a product or service. This is the framework that we use for our clients, and I hope it really helps you in determining what sort of messaging you should start putting together for your clients. Look, if you can need any help with this, feel free to put some questions in the comments. I'd be more than happy to help, and I hope you have a great day. Cheers.